What is the first thing that you do to a Corvette when you get it? Exhaust, right? It's got some halfway decent exhaust on it, but it's really quiet. And I've seen a lot of these muffler deletes, which right now I really just want to see what it sounds like without the mufflers on it. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull them off. And I mean, they're quad powers, they're just axle packs. So we're going to pull them off right about the axle. And yeah, so we'll see what it looks like, and I'm kind of excited to hear what see what it looks like, hear what it sounds like. And Kayla's not home, so I have to send her a sound clip of it. But yeah, let's check it out, guys. Let's see what it'll do. So guys, I got it pulled off, and it sounds pretty good. So I got it pulled off the other night. I didn't do a startup of it. I don't know, suspense, I don't know. But now, today, we're going to do a startup of it, and it's going to be awesome. Let's go check it out. So I've got my GoPro sitting back there. That way we can get kind of an in-car, and then we can get from the back as well. All right, 3, 2, 1. So the coolest part about this is the way that I got to do it. So this one had an axle back on it, like I've been telling you guys, and it was a quad power axle. Axle back axle. And so can you see the pipe right there? So it's stainless, or I don't know, coated. And so this came back into the mufflers. Well, it turns out I didn't have to cut anything. I didn't have to take any pipe off of it. The mufflers have a cinch right there that the pipe slid into. So it was the easiest muffler delete I've ever done. I didn't have to cut anything off, nothing like that. So it was pretty fancy, and I think it sounds really good. I am going to extend the pipe out the rest of the way out of the car and put the tips on it, and then it should have a little bit less drone. It does have a little drone right now, but they're kind of like dumps under the car. So, but I think it sounds really good. Later on in the future, we will have full exhaust, header, and everything. But for now, for a cool little fun fix, it just has no exhaust on it. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching.